Have you ever noticed this? Your strawberry plant looks perfectly healthy. The leaves are green, the plant is growing, everything seems fine. But when it's time for fruit, the strawberries stay small, taste sour, or start rotting before they even turn red. Most people immediately blame watering or sunlight. Some add more fertilizer, some move the pot again and again, but nothing really changes. Here's the truth most gardeners miss. If the soil is wrong, strawberries will never perform well, no matter how much care you give them. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how strawberry soil works, what usually goes wrong, and how you can fix it using simple, home-friendly methods. Strawberries are not deep-root plants. Their roots stay close to the surface, which means they depend completely on the quality of the soil around them. If the soil is heavy, compact, or stays wet for too long, the roots can't breathe properly. And when roots are stressed, the plant focuses on survival instead of producing sweet, healthy fruit. In this video, I'll break strawberry soil care into simple, practical steps that work for pots, grow bags, balconies, and small home gardens. You don't need expensive soil mixes or technical knowledge. I'll explain what kind of soil strawberries actually like, how to keep it healthy over time, and how small changes in soil care can make a big difference in fruit quality. If you want more flowers, better fruit size, and sweeter strawberries, it all starts from the soil. Tip 1. Choose the right soil texture. Foundation of success. The first and most important thing to understand is that strawberries do not like heavy soil. Their roots are shallow and delicate, which means they need soil that is light, airy, and loose. If your soil feels hard, sticky, or turns into lumps after watering, the roots struggle to breathe. Good strawberry soil should feel soft when you hold it in your hand. When you water it, the water should pass through easily instead of sitting on the surface. If water stays too long, roots begin to rot and fruit quality drops very fast. This is why plain garden soil is usually not enough. You must improve it by mixing organic matter like compost or vermicompost. Adding sand or cocoa peat helps create air pockets, which roots love. Think of soil like a mattress for roots. If it's too hard, the plant feels stressed all the time. But when the soil is loose and balanced, the plant relaxes, and relaxed plants produce better fruit. Tip 2. Maintain slightly acidic soil for sweet taste. Many gardeners don't realize that soil pH directly affects strawberry taste. Strawberries naturally prefer slightly acidic soil, and when the soil is too alkaline, fruits lose sweetness. In alkaline soil, plants can't absorb nutrients properly. Even if you fertilize, the plant still shows weak growth, pale leaves, and poor fruit development. You don't need any expensive tools to fix this. The simplest way is by regularly adding organic compost, leaf mold, or well-rotted manure. These materials slowly improve soil structure and naturally balance pH. Avoid adding too much wood ash or lime near strawberries. These materials make soil more alkaline and reduce fruit quality. If your strawberries taste sour even when fully ripe, soil pH is often the hidden reason. Once the soil becomes balanced, you'll notice fruits getting sweeter, brighter, and more flavorful. Healthy soil chemistry quietly works in the background and rewards you at harvest time. Tip 3. Feed the soil, not just the plant. One common mistake is focusing only on fertilizers, but strawberries don't need heavy feeding. They need healthy, living soil. When you constantly add chemical fertilizers, soil life dies. Earthworms, beneficial microbes, and natural nutrients disappear. The plant grows fast, but fruits become weak and watery. Instead, focus on feeding the soil slowly and naturally. Adding compost every 15 to 20 days keeps nutrients balanced and gentle. Vermicompost is especially good because it improves soil texture and root health. During flowering, small natural boosters like banana peel water or bone meal help fruit development, but remember, moderation is key. When soil is rich and alive, the plant takes what it needs on its own. This results in steady flowering, better fruit size, and stronger plants over time. Good soil feeding is quiet, slow, and powerful. Tip 4. Water correctly to protect soil structure. Watering is not just about giving water, it's about protecting the soil. Overwatering destroys soil structure and pushes air out of the root zone. Strawberries prefer moist soil, not wet soil. The best method is the finger test. If the top inch of soil feels dry, it's time to water. Always water slowly so moisture spreads evenly. Fast, heavy watering compacts soil and washes nutrients away. Morning watering is ideal because soil absorbs moisture calmly and excess water evaporates during the day. This reduces fungal problems and root stress. Good watering habits protect soil health, and healthy soil protects your plant. Tip 5. Ensure proper drainage in pots and beds. Even the best soil mix fails if drainage is poor. Strawberry roots cannot survive in standing water. For pots and grow bags, drainage holes are non-negotiable. If water doesn't exit within seconds, something is wrong. At the bottom of pots, you can add broken clay pieces or small stones, not for nutrition, but to prevent blockage. In garden beds, raised soil works best. Slightly elevated beds allow excess water to escape naturally. Poor drainage leads to root rot, fungal diseases, and fruit rot. Good drainage keeps roots dry, airy, and stress-free. When drainage improves, plants respond almost immediately. Tip 6. Use mulch to protect and improve soil. Mulching is one of the most underrated soil care techniques. It protects soil from heat, dryness, and sudden moisture loss. Straw works perfectly for strawberries, and it's no coincidence the plant is named that way. Dry leaves, coconut husk, or grass clippings also work well. Mulch keeps soil temperature stable and prevents fruit from touching wet soil. This reduces rot and keeps strawberries clean. As mulch slowly breaks down, it feeds the soil naturally. This improves texture and microbial life without extra effort. Mulching is like giving your soil a protective blanket. Tip 7. Refresh old soil regularly. Soil doesn't stay healthy forever. After one season, nutrients reduce and structure weakens. If your strawberries slow down or fruits get smaller, soil refreshment is needed. Remove the top layer and replace it with fresh compost. Loosen the soil gently to improve airflow. Never press soil hard around the plant. In pots, full soil replacement once a year is ideal. Fresh soil brings new energy and better results. Old soil holds memories of stress. Fresh soil brings new life. Tip 8. Avoid common soil mistakes. Many strawberry problems come from simple mistakes. Hard-packed soil suffocates roots. Standing water invites disease. Too much fertilizer burns roots. Reusing dead soil without improvement leads to disappointment. Ignoring drainage leads to rot. Ignoring soil health leads to weak harvests. When you avoid these mistakes, strawberry growing becomes easy and enjoyable. Remember, strawberries are forgiving plants. Fix the soil, and they bounce back quickly.
So remember this strawberry, don't ask expensive product or complicated techniques. They simple ask for good soil and little consistency. If your soil is loose, well draining and full of organic life, the plant will do the rest on its own. Better flowers, healthier fruits and sweeter taste. Always start the blow for surface. Try this soil care tip step by step. Don't rush process and observe how to plants respond. Gardening is not about forcing results. It's about understanding what the plant really needs. If this video helped you, like and subscribe Green Answers for more simple, honest gardening solutions. Share this video and someone who's struggling strawberries, comment below if you want a full series on growing fruit pots. Thanks for watching. Take care, your soil, and see you in the next Green Answers video.